Hi, it's Doug from DTA Designs Inc. talking about minor equipment maintenance within our fire department theme. After signing into your website, you will be presented with the firefighter's homepage. Your homepage will look a little different than what is being shown to you here, as your website will be customized for your fire department. Also, your fire department may not have implemented all options available in the fire department theme. Click on the Equipment menu item from the menu bar. Now click on the Minor Equipment button. The equipment groups are presented to us. Let's add a minor equipment of attic ladder into the equipment group ladders. First, click on the equipment group that you want to place your minor equipment in or task into. In our case, we will click on ladders. Then we will click on Add Ladders button. Let's go over this ad screen briefly. The equipment task description is self-explanatory. In our case, we will be putting in attic ladder. The equipment groups are shown to you again, and as you can see, the ladders equipment group is already being selected, as that is the equipment group we selected. At this point, we could change the equipment group that this minor equipment or task is going to be placed into. Now that we've filled in the description, we just need to click on the Add Minor Equipment Task button. We get a confirmation message that the minor equipment task was added successfully. We stay on the ad screen, so I will now enter more minor equipment tasks offline. Okay, I have now added more minor equipment and tasks to our system. Let's back out now by clicking on the Return to Equipment Tasks Listings button. For those with a sharp eye, you will notice that I deleted the equipment group adapter since we changed nozzles to nozzles and adapters in the video on equipment group maintenance. I will now click on the ladders group to show you what has been added. Notice the update and delete buttons beside the equipment item's description. The delete button is shown when the equipment item has not been used in an inspection report. So as you can see, we haven't used anything within this group as of yet. Now is a good time to show you the search in action. We'll look for anything that is pump related by entering pump into the search box. The search will look for the word pump anywhere in the description. Now click on the search button and a pop-up appears showing you all the equipment tasks and what equipment group that they belong to. We will now do an update on the attic ladder that we added. We want to change the name from attic ladder to 12-foot attic ladder. Now we click on the Update Minor Equipment Task button. We get a confirmation message and we are returned to the Minor Equipment Task page. Let's delete the 36-foot extension ladder. So click on ladders now. Notice the update to the attic ladder we just performed. Now click on the delete button to the right of the 36-foot extension ladder description. We must enter a reason for deleting the minor equipment. Just enter that the ladder is broken and we replaced it with a 40-foot extension ladder. Click on the delete minor equipment task button, and we will get a confirmation message that the deletion was successful and we are returned to the minor equipment task page. One last thing I would like to point out are the items that were added to the equipment group tasks. If you remember from the equipment group video, this group was created by clicking on false for physical equipment. So when we add anything from this group for an inspection report, we will not be able to select a quantity for them, which makes sense as you can see by the items that were added. To get an equipment item or task to look like the pump panel task as shown, you need to press the Enter key to create a new line in the description box as we did after pump panel. We then added the hyphen on the new line along with operate valves before pressing the Enter key again. We then added another hyphen on the new line with antifreeze them when required seasonal. And that's how you get the multi-line display. That concludes the minor equipment maintenance video on the fire department theme by DTA Designs Inc. Thanks for watching.